A watchdog group for children in state custody says those kids are often not being searched correctly. Thanks so much for joining us at 5, everyone. I'm Phil Lipoff.
I'm Kim Christensen. The group says it reviewed more than 1,000 searches and found more than 1,000 policy violations. 9 News investigative reporter Jeremy Hohola reviewed this watchdog report and shares with us why this group says children can be re-traumatized during searches like this.
Yeah, Kim, these are children who are locked up in state-run facilities for juvenile offenders. And according to this independent watchdog group, the state is not following rules already in place when it comes to strip searches. Today, this report was released by the Child Protection Ombudsman of Colorado. This office says it's reviewed 1,009 strip searches that occurred in facilities between January of 2023 and March of 2024, a little more than a year. In many of those strip searches, the office found policy violations like a lack of proper approval by supervisors, a lack of the right staffing being present, a lack of documentation, and a lack of reason given for the search. In all, the office says it found 1,006 policy violations, and sometimes one strip search had multiple violations. The group also says these searches turned up contraband only about 10% of the time. The office says recent rules put in by the state are not being followed.
We're trying to keep staff and kids safe, right? And the way we do that is we search them. However, there are rules that require us to search youth in a very certain way. As you well know, a lot of these youth are previous child abuse victims, sex assault victims. And so the manner in which we search them, right, is important. What we found in our investigation is that we don't have data about if these searches are effective.
In the meantime, Colorado's Human Services Department says it's reviewing the concerns in this report and says that their staff is trained to balance personal privacy while also taking a trauma-informed approach. The report calls for more transparency and oversight, so these searches are only used when truly necessary. Live in the newsroom, Jeremy Hohola, 9 News.
No, that's the question I asked, how often you have to do these. So there's a lot that they need to look at and review.
Yeah, very much so, Kim.
All right, thank you, Jeremy.